Hello everyone, this is Team D, working under the guidance of Professor S.N. Pandey. We are introducing our working model of an egg boiler while studying the thermodynamic aspects and process calculation of pressure cooker. The idea of creating an working model came across our mind. Now we present you our model.
Assembly of egg boiler consists of 4 parts: heating unit, steaming bowl, egg tray, and lid. Heating unit and steaming bowl is enclosed within a solid body which we made from spare ply parts covered with aluminium wrap foil. The heating unit is a electric heating coil. Steam generating bowl is regular stainless steel utensil. The egg tray is placed on top of the steaming bowl, which is capable of holding 7 eggs and is covered by a plastic lid made from plastic container which was available at our home. Boiled egg. For that, let's pour 120 ml of water in steaming bowl and place our egg tray. Raw eggs were already weighed and place on the egg tray. Now cover the egg tray with plastic lid. Plug in a switch and transfer the heat to the steaming bowl. The water inside the bowl starts to heat up and ultimately boil. Here steam is generated. The steam rises upwards and now come in contact with eggs. The steam rises upward and come in contact with the eggs. Excess steam escapes from the nozzle and most part of it condenses and come down to the steaming bowl. After 12 minutes, we turn off the switch and took off the plug. Let the eggs rest for half a minute so that we can touch them with bare hands. Now remove the lid. Our eggs are cooked. Now we will quench eggs. Quench them by running them under tap water. Peel off the eggshell. Our hard-boiled eggs are ready. This setup can be used to make soft-boiled as well as hard-boiled eggs too. This can be obtained by varying time, quantity of water poured, which is related to the number of eggs placed. This setup can also be used to boil or steam potato, sweet potato and other vegetables. Also foods such as idli, momos, rice cake and many more can be cooked. Although the procedure seems simple, the principle behind it is quite complex and we would like to present them in our presentation. Please look forward to it.